Hello, everybody. This is Chubby W again. We are going to be opening a 2025 TOPPS Tier 1 today. See what we get. I knew I said I wouldn't get any more of these, but my nephew and brother went in on this one and want me to open it on here. So we're just going to go right into it. It'll be a quick one, and we will see how we do. TOPPS Tier 1 2025. If we can get it open. I usually get, let's see, two autograph cards, a relic card, a base card, sometimes an autographed relic. Some neat stuff. I've been a little bit disappointed with what I've got this year. I think I've opened two other 2025 TOPPS Tier 1s on here, and they were okay. They were good. They're always nice cards, but you're really hoping for as much as you spend to get somebody you know or get a big name. Okay, here we go. I'll try to hide them until the last second here. I think you want to start, the top one is the base card. And so, on that note, let's find some protection. We know we'll need it. Card number one, base card, Connor Norby. Always nice looking base cards. I don't think this one's numbered. Connor Norby. Put that right in some plastic. Second card we have, looks like a relic card, top shelf. Bob Feller, Hall of Famer. Bob Feller. Looks like from the Cleveland Indians. Next up, out of 149, Warren, autograph. Will Warren from the Yankees. It's like a pitcher. Don't know much about him. And the last on the autograph, to 199, Tyler Locklear. Tyler Locklear autograph to 149. And that is why I stopped buying these boxes. I don't know much about these guys, but I've heard Tyler Locklear before. Maybe good, and I just don't know it, but haven't got a banger out of these this year, and haven't seen much, even watching openings on the other openings on YouTube or what it may be, and just fairly disappointed for the money you put in on these. But that's what we got. Hall of Famer Bob Feller, or Connor Norby base card. Warren autograph, pitcher from the Yankees, and Tyler Locklear. So thank you so much for watching. Maybe we'll get them next time. Thank you.